Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a TikTok full stack video downloader application in Next.js. So let me show you the actual directory structure. So this is actually the full directory structure of the project. Each and every component is coded inside TypeScript and it's fully customizable. So the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase the source code. And after purchasing it, all the source code will be downloaded from Google Drive automatically. So if I show you the package.json file, we are using the latest version of Next here, and we are running this application as you can just see here locally. So this interface looks something like this. It's a TikTok video downloader full stack application. So right here you will paste whatever video you want to download. Simply copy link address and simply paste it. As soon as you paste it, you will see this download button. You simply click the download button and then the downloading will start. And after that, you will see the video is successfully downloaded. And now you can actually play the video locally. So this will save you a lot of time. This is a full stack uh, Next.js project. You will see this is the video successfully downloaded inside your machine. You can take any other example, repeat the process, just paste the video link and simply click download, and this is unlimited. There is no limit to it how much videos you basically download. So you just need simply the link of the video, whatever link you basically paste the link. So there is no limit to it. You can paste the link and automatically it will download the mp4 file. So the interface is quite simple. It's a single page application. We are actually in the background, in the backend, we are communicating with the TikTok API to actually get the download link of the video. So you can just see here, each and every component is divided into its appropriate TypeScript file here. So we have this API folder where we are editing the backend code for this application. And it's also very easy for you to deploy this application. You can see we are running it locally. So you basically have the build script. You can build out the application. We are using Axios to make the HTTP request to the backend API, TikTok API, to get the download links. And so it's very easy for you to deploy this. It's just a single page application. You also have the light and dark theme. You also have the trending section as well. You can click the trending section to go to the. So interface is quite simple. You go to the TikTok and simply paste the link, whatever link you need to. Just need the link of the video, and inside this you will paste it. So if you still face any problem in running the application, you can mail me. I will help you in running and deploying the application. So interface is quite simple. You paste the link, and once it reaches the 100%, you will see it's actually showing you the progress bar, and automatically the video will download as a mp4 file, and then you can play the video using a video player. So this is a full stack project in Next.js. So it's fully customizable. So once you get the source code, you will be able to see how I coded this application. It's very easy for you to see the source code once you get the purchase it. The link is given in the description. You can see every file is customizable. Every component is splitted across their respective components. So you will be able to see how I coded this application from scratch. So you can just see right here. So we are also using some framer motion for animating, Axios, Chords library, emotion. This is Chakra UI library we are using for building the user interface. So you can just see here, it's a fully fledged project, and if you're interested in this, guys, the link is given in the description. It's a TikTok video downloader full stack clone application that I developed. So if you're interested in this, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase the application.